How to turn off Snapchat friend suggestion notification. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on notifications. You will find different notifications in here. Scroll down till you find suggestions option. In here, uncheck friends from contact, friend suggestion, and also pending friend request. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off Snapchat friend suggestion notifications. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.